Let me say a few statements about the importance of these activities. In our point of view, the future of the global energy system will be based on two major columns. One is energy efficiency, and the second is an energy supply system which increasingly uses renewable energies. Renewable energies, as most of you may know, include heat and electricity generated by various sources such as biomass, wind, geothermal energy, and of course solar energy. And among all these renewable energies, solar energy is the one with the by far largest potential and available almost everywhere in the world. Renewable energies are applied in different ways. They can be applied decentralized on a local level, directly linked to the application, or they can be applied in central power generation plants. Conversion of solar radiation into electricity based on photovoltaic cells and modules can be applied in both sectors. PV modules can be used for decentralized generation of electricity, for instance to supply buildings or appliances, either grid connected or standalone. And they can be used in large power plants which produce electricity and feed it into the grid. So to cover all these different applications and sectors, a large and increasing variety of technical solutions is being developed and introduced into the market. And a strongly increasing market is in this strongly increasing market, it is absolutely essential to assure a high quality of all products of the conversion chain, and the PV module is a key element of this chain. PV modules have to operate under very different weather and climatic conditions. They have, for instance, to stand exposure to high levels of ultraviolet radiation. They have to stand conditions of high humidity, that's particularly in Singapore and in Asia the case. Large temperature variations, extreme rainfall, and maybe not in Singapore, but in other places of the world, strong hail, snow, and other. And they have to operate for a long service lifetime of at least 20 years, better more, without a significant performance reduction. And for all these reasons, quality measures are one of the key elements and needs for a long-term sustainable development of the huge future market for photovoltaic industry. We, WDE and Fraunhofer ISE, have identified the importance of these quality issues already years ago and started a deep collaboration in the field of quality assurance measures for the PV industry. And the establishment of the new WDE Fraunhofer ISE private limited company in Singapore is a next step to enlarge our capacities in the quality assurance of PV modules in one of the most dynamic photovoltaic markets in the world. In close collaboration with the Solar Energy Research Institute of Singapore, SERIS, we want to provide our expertise in PV module testing and certification to the manufacturers and industries in the Asian Pacific region. That's the reason why we are here. Let me finally say a few words about our institute, being one of the partners and founders of this new company. Fraunhofer ISE is one of the leading solar energy research centers in the world. We are mainly financed based on research contracts, and as such we serve as a bridge between applied research and technology development, or you could also say as a bridge between academic research and industry. Our work is based on a triangle of application-oriented basic research, product development and services for the industry, including testing of products in the laboratory, but also in real-life application. And this testing helps us to understand shortcomings and identify optimization potentials of products and systems in real life in practical application. We strongly believe that our engagement in the testing of PV modules on a worldwide level deepens our understanding of PV application and markets, and therefore we are very happy about the foundation of the new company here in Singapore and the related opportunity to collaborate with the PV manufacturers and industry in Singapore and in the region. Thank you.
today a joint venture between the VDE Testing and Certification Institute and the Fraunhofer Institute Solar Energy System has been formed. As we all know, renewable energy sources are assuming an ever larger role in satisfying the growing worldwide demand for clean electricity. Wind, photovoltaic, solar thermal, biomass. The list of alternative energy sources is growing and becoming the focus of public attention as general concerns about the global climate and environment growth. This joint venture will help build the future, both for Asia Pacific and the rest of the world. VDE and Fraunhofer ISE are strong partners. VDE, the Association for Electrical, Electronic and Information Technologies, is Europe's largest technical and scientific society. It is the information platform of the electrical and electronic industry, bringing together the experts of science, standardization and testing and certification. The VDE Testing and Certification Institute, as a part of it, plays a key role in industry by testing and certifying electrical and electronic equipment, components and systems. Established in 1920, the VDE Institute has a long-term professional experience. Besides safety and performance testing, VDE provides a comprehensive service portfolio for manufacturers and retailers to support their global market access. VDE certification marks are first-class brands, highly recognized by buyers and end users worldwide. VDE's product range includes all kinds of electrical appliances as well as components and systems, from the cable to large industry automation installations. VDE has worked in the field of photovoltaics since the early days of this technology, making it the ideal partner here. The task of the joint venture, VDE Fraunhofer ISE, will be to provide intensive support for the photovoltaic industry right here in the heart of the Asia-Pacific region. The most important part in this connection is highly sophisticated testing and certification services in the area of performance and safety of solar photovoltaic modules. This new cooperation is part of the VDE's drive to internationalize operations. Foreign manufacturers and Europeans who have built up local productions in Asia have to comply with national and international standards if they want to access the markets globally. With this joint venture, VDE is helping local manufacturers by advising on standards and legal requirements, testing their products and certifying technologies. The goal is clear: support the development of the solar market in Asia Pacific and make it highly attractive and competitive in the global arena. The technical aspects were introduced by Henning and will be introduced by Professor Luder, I'm sure about that. Singapore is an ideal hub for the region's solar industry, and Asia Pacific itself is on the way to become the hub of the global economy. The Economic Development Board of Singapore plays a key role to support the development of the solar market here in this region. VDE Fraunhofer ISE is now here, and together with Service, we are ready to serve the solar industry throughout the region with our large common pool of expertise and experience. Thank you very much.